stores around Baton Rouge say they're struggling to keep up with their stock of products that could help you prevent any possible infection.
Fox 44's Jonah Gilmore now explains the shortage and introduces us to one man who says he's going the extra mile to stay safe.
A little bottle of hand sanitizer like this only costs a few bucks, and right now these items are flying off the shelves. Now one man is getting really creative making his own. In just about every drugstore across the capital city, you'll hear these words.
We're out, and we've been out.
We're completely out.
Due to the rising number of coronavirus cases in the U.S., people are going the extra mile to stay safe.
Standard procedures, always, as with your everyday life and with this too.
While some say buying a lot of disinfectant products is excessive,
That's crazy. That's blowing my mind.
others say it's best to be safe than sorry.
I think it's good that they're preparing themselves for whatever they feel they need to.
Online prices for items such as hand sanitizer are increasing well above the retail price. That has now led to one man's creativity making his own.
I went on Amazon and I was like, they're price gouging these. This doesn't make sense.
Justin Stewart says he couldn't believe what people were charging and decided to take matters into his own hands.
It was very simple, so I was like, okay, let me Google something real quick. And there were many articles from credible news sources.
After purchasing the products to make hand sanitizer, Stewart says he created a DIY project proved to be effective.
As long as the alcohol percentage in your mixture is 60% alcohol, you can still get the same effect.
As the cases grow and scares become more intense, people say they'll continue to take precaution and listen to medical professionals.
Good hand washings and whatever the doctors say.
Although these products are going fast, doctors say the best preventative is simply washing your hands, keeping you safe. Jonah Gilmore, Fox 44 News.
All right, thanks, Jonah. Well, there are nearly 100,000 cases this morning of coronavirus worldwide. 3,300 people have died in the U.S. The number of cases has risen above 200, with 14 deaths confirmed. All but one of those were in Washington state. Louisiana, meanwhile, has yet to see a case of the coronavirus. However, the virus is being seen closer to home. 2 cases now reported in the Houston area. Officials there say the 2 patients were recently in Egypt, and they believe the pair got the virus while overseas. County leaders say at this time there is no evidence of a community spread in Houston.
Well, this morning, the fate of LSU's spring break and summer study abroad programs remain up in the air this morning amid coronavirus fears. A spokesperson for the university says the university is considering canceling the programs, but no decision has been made yet. The emergency bill to fight coronavirus passed in the U.S. Senate. The nearly $8 billion measure would fund several federal health agencies in their efforts to fight coronavirus and other infectious diseases. The bill now goes to President Donald Trump, who is expected to sign it.